We know you spend way too much time writing documentation, but what if you didn't? Well, with Brainfish, you can now upload videos, and Brainfish will watch the video using AI and also listen to the audio to create an entire knowledge base on how your product works. Let me show you exactly how. So we've got some training videos here, and we're going to upload them into the Brainfish platform. So I'm going to grab this one here and bring it in, and you can see that it's immediately uploading it straight into the platform. It's super quick. Now, straight after that, we're going to be analyzing that content and then turning that into help articles. And the analyzing process is allowing us to use computer vision to watch the video as well as listen to the audio to make sure that we get the right context behind what we're seeing. After a few moments, our articles are done, and you can see exactly what we've got here. So we've got a few different draft articles that have been generated. Now, I'm going to open one up here. We're going to open this improvement engine one. And you can see it's generated a rich piece of content that steps me through an overview, step-by-step instructions. It's even got the actual video with a snippet that generated the article. Now, this is super powerful because when you want to use these articles for AI answers through our in-app assistance experience or through Slack, the benefit is that we can not only get the right information, but we can show users exactly where the information came from. And it makes it super easy for them to go and watch just a piece of the video they need to see. This is live now for all of our customers. If you want to see a demo, just DM me.